The environment is a beautiful place. Every day, we seem to take this for granted, and without proper tools and resources or a proper understanding, we can lose what we have to either climate change, to natural disasters, or to anything that could occur in the future. It is at stake, and we need to do everything we can to protect it.
My name is Ella, and I've been volunteering at Corkscrew. I really enjoy it. It's a very beautiful place. I love being outside and working along the boardwalk, clearing the vegetation and talking to guests. A lot of the other volunteers there are very informative about the different plants and animals, so it's just a very fun place to be at.
While working in Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary, we really tried to promote sustainability and conservation efforts among our community. We did this by handing out flyers and by communicating with either students or community leaders throughout our project. One way we helped Corkscrew was in monitoring bird migrations and species.
Hi, so my name is Stephanie. I've done a variety of tasks at Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary, such as vegetation thinning, which would prevent wildfires from forming while also using the fuel for controlled burns. And I've also been helping out with, field research. So there's a monthly bird count that I participate in just to track the species to see if they stay at the same levels consistently. And same with the butterfly count. And that's definitely been my favorite thing I've done while at Corkscrew because I got to see a ton of wildlife, and the butterfly one was actually all day, so I got there from sunrise to late afternoon, and I got to see so much wildlife. So it was really cool.
As you can see in this video, there is a raccoon up in the cabbage palm tree. There's so much wildlife in Corkscrew that is being protected by the conservation efforts of that land. Other animals that are being protected are alligators, river otters, snakes, and so many more. As we go throughout the park, we write down whatever we see during that day. This is 2 hours of vegetation thinning on the park campus.
So they raised funds to buy the cypress forest from the logging company and preserve it. And Audubon took stewardship of it in 1954. And currently we have 13,400 acres here. It's the largest remaining stand of old growth bald cypress forest in the world. And cypress forests are very important. The ecosystem here is very important to the health of the ecology in Southwest Florida. A couple of things going on. One for wildlife. We actually have panthers on Corkscrew property because we have enough property. It's not large enough to support a panther family, but coupled with other properties around here, we actually have wild panthers that walk through Corkscrew. We have to have a corridor through Florida if we're going to have the panther survive, long-term survival of that majestic beast. And then also water. When people talk about the red tide and the blue-green algae that are found in the beaches, Corkscrew plays a vital role in preventing that from happening and alleviating the problem. Water filters here through the cypress or through the central marsh, and if we can keep that water pure, if we can have wetlands like we do here.
Although we didn't raise a whole lot of money, it's the effort that we put in that really made a difference to Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary. After we put the money into the donation box, they told us how appreciative they were of us.
Go.
My main responsibilities volunteering at Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary involve the removal of invasive plant species and landscape improvement. And my favorite experience so far in volunteering there has been the swamp buggy tour. We got to see all sorts of wildlife and all sorts of native and invasive plant species, so it was very enjoyable.
During the course of the project, we have given Corkscrew donations, we have served by giving our time and helping clear out any invasive species, and we've also acted as leaders during the project called Greek Day of Service put on by FGCU's campus. These next few photos are work that Alex has done here on Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary's campus. As you can see, he's made a huge difference in the appearance of the park.
Hi, I'm Alex, and I've been volunteering with the Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary. My recent activities have included vegetation thinning, boardwalk maintenance, and just overall maintenance of the park. I really do enjoy volunteering there. We get to be outside and contribute to the aesthetic appeal of the sanctuary, while also contributing to the sustainability.
This is one day of Anthony's work on Corkscrew's campus.
My name is Anthony, and I've been volunteering at Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary, and I've been clearing some vegetation for where there's overgrown plants. It helps to avoid people getting hurt when they're there. And on the boardwalk, it was one of my favorite parts. You see a lot of rare birds that aren't always around, and us being there is helping keep their environment intact so they can continue coming seasonally.
Please help us continue the protection of our parks. Thank you.